Meaning of Golden Delicious.
Golden delicious.
Golden Delicious.
Golden delicious.
Golden delicious. Golden Delicious is a type of apple cultivar that was first discovered in the United States in the 1890s. The apple is known for its bright yellow skin, juicy flesh, and sweet flavor. It's widely grown all over the world and is favored by many people as a tasty snack or for use in cooking. The name Golden Delicious refers to both the fruit's golden color and its delicious taste. This apple is rich in fiber, antioxidants, and many essential nutrients, making it a healthy choice for anyone looking to improve their overall health.